This video is part of the Team How To Answers Under a Minute series. Today I want to show how to add an end card or an end screen to your YouTube videos. Let's just click on the one we want to deal with. Come down over here on the right, add end screen. And now we're going to pick either from the one we've used the last, or we can pick like this one, for instance, has a video and a subscribe button. I'll just show that. So if you're on the subscribe button here, you can see it's lit up. I can move it wherever I want. And you can see the lined it up there. That's great. Now if I want to switch to this, I can come here, choose the best for the viewer, or choose a specific video. But if I say I wanted to change this up, I could make it a playlist. So then I could just add an element, do playlist, come in and say I want to do my Audacity playlist. And there you go. And it just pops it in. I can put it where I want, wherever there's no action. And you can move this on the last so many seconds of the screen. So when it pops up, like if I wanted and I can listen and
this way, but this is the
exactly
safer way.
where it's going to pop up. This is as far back as you can go because it's an end screen, and that's why I can only go back so far.